Hey, how you doing, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and today I have for you the very beautiful, eye-catching Bestech Kombou Falko. It's got this really beautiful carbon fiber interlay with G10. This is the blue version. It does come in different colors, I believe green, red, and so forth. But man, it's really an eye catcher, and it's really nice. It is got a really nice bellied blade of 154 cm. The blade length itself is 3.54 inches, so it's just over that 3.5 inch point. Uh, Overall is 8.39 inches, and it's got a close length of 4.84 inches, blade thickness 0.19 inches, and yeah, this is really nice. It's 4.34 ounces, but really it's quite nice. And what's really nice about it is that it really is comfortable in the hand. It just really form fits. I like these neutral type of grips when they do that, so depending on what kind of hand you have to hold it, it's really just going to sink in, especially when you got that nice point there to separate the index finger from the others. Um, Everything is nicely contoured, extremely comfortable. No hot spots whatsoever. It's got the titanium backspacer and pocket clip. Uh, yeah, it really is nice. It's got the ceramic ball bearing action. It's got a nice finger choil there, so you can kind of rest your finger up in there without it having to worry about getting cut. And if you like to, sink in, get some detailed cutting and so forth, it's got a pretty strong point to it. It's got that nice swell to the blade, as you can see. It's also really got some nice deep, decent jimping. Nothing too sharp, but man, what an outstanding cutter this has been. Been using it quite a bit. I do like 154 cm a lot. It touches up very easily on a fine stone for sharpening, and haven't really had to do much with this one. What's really nice about it is once you get past that detent, look, it just falls shut. It's got a nice thwack out to it. Excellent locking to it, just about the 50 percentage mark. Very accessible to get to that liner lock. Everything's nice and even. And this is one of the higher end Bestechs that I'm accustomed to getting. I usually go for ones around the 50-60 range. And there's nothing wrong with them. They're just usually in D2 with just G10. But step this one up a bit. It usually goes for extremely higher, about 160 if you get them in different colors. I found that on White Mountain Knives. This one here was going for about 128. And with your choice of different discount codes to use from White Mountain Knives, like Lefty Love or LTK or Wayne's World, whoever you like that uses those codes and has them, I say go for it. That's what I like about White Mountain Knives. Not paid by them or anybody else. I'm just doing this for me and for you. But just showing this knife off a bit because I really like it. And yeah, man, that is smooth. Does have this hole here that you can use as a thumb for getting out with your thumb. You can easily do the finger flick there from the opposite side, because with such a nice big blade there, it's doing all the traveling action for you, especially on those very smooth ball bearing, ceramic ball bearing action that it has. But this is really a great knife, and it's a classy knife, but it's a good user too. I found this to be actually very comfortable to use, to carry in my pocket, and it's really nice. This carbon fiber and blue G10 is I didn't think I was going to like it as much as it was, because I really did have my eye on getting a green one, but it was a little unobtainable at the time. And I was thinking about just getting some yellow Rit dye and changing it to green, but I'm glad I didn't, because I've actually grown to like this even more, having it in hand, seeing it in person, and it's been a really excellent knife to use, to slice with, and so forth. That belly, you can't go wrong with that. And let's see what we got here. Yep, there's the Bestech symbol. And on this side here, what is that there? I'm not sure about who that designer is, but it is 154 cm, as you can see. And just getting a close-up of that carbon fiber and so forth. The whole thing has been pretty excellent, and an excellent purchase that I couldn't recommend enough. I think that you would like it if that was something that you were looking for. There are some bigger Bestechs that I've had, like the Arida, which I really like a lot. But I really was just drawn to this blade, and I really like how it is a high satin finish to it. It could be a fingerprint magnet if that's something that really bothered you, but that's actually something I like. I do like a nice flashy, beautiful blade there, and Bestech did a great job with this one. So there you go, keeping it short and sweet as I usually do, and hope you liked the video. If you did, please feel free to leave me a like. Subscribe if you wish, and leave a comment. Love to hear from you. So that's about it. Y'all take care, and hopefully see you on the next one. Take care now. Bye.